In this part we are going to add the another modifier, simple deform. Before adding the simple deform modifier, I think I need to rotate this plane about x-axis. In order to rotate the plane, first I click on the plane, then press R to rotate, then press X to rotate about x-axis. At what angle do we want to rotate this plane? We want to rotate this plane 90 degrees. So press 90, simple. Now we have rotated the plane in 90 degree. If we press the 1 to go in front view, we get this. Okay. Now to add a deform modifier, click on add modifier, then go to simple deform. So the shape look very dangerous. So we need to add empty. Here for the axis and origin we need a empty object. So shift A empty plane axis. Now select this plane and under the axis and origin click on this eyedropper icon. On the outliner click on this empty. Okay. We want a bend simple deform, so click on bend. Make sure the axis origin is the empty, axis is x, and the angle should be 180 degree. Just type 180 then press enter. So in this part we have applied the simple deform modifier.